Yes, yung commercial nga pala pinag-modern. And what ML is all about?
So the campaign on kalusugan ng puhunan is something that we want all Filipinos to watch and appreciate because it's true, right? Sometimes kasi we take for granted our health. Most Filipinos hindi iniinda ang kalusugan hanggang may nararamdaman. Pag ganun kasi medyo late na yon, 'di ba? So ang push sana natin is for everybody to do preventive health and preventive cure versus curative.
And you're bringing it to everybody.
Yes.
Libre ang MWell app.
Libre yung MWell app. Actually,
Oo.
if you have the MWell app now, you can do consultation with doctors 24/7. We're like the digital ERA, emergency room. So you can talk to any doctor 24/7 wherever you are. Because our platform is open, so globally, pwede siyang magamit. Di ba, galing ka ng Hong Kong. O nagkasakit ka doon, God forbid, you can call a doctor here. Unlike other platforms kasi naka-closed platform sila.
Naka-geolock.
Oo, geolock. Pag umalis, hindi mo magagamit. So, ang doctors din natin ganon. Kahit nagbabakasyon yung mga doktor, pwede silang mag-service or mag-care for their patients wherever they are in the world.
Ma'am, syempre tanong lagi ni Aling Nena, magkano?
Yung MWell app as is free when you
Apo.
when you download it. Yung Consult Now, we have a promo. It's $3.99
Oh,
per
okay.
consultation with a real doctor, ha. Hindi lang siya chat. Kasi pag
Hindi
chat,
siya AI.
hindi mo kilala kung sino
Oo.
yung kausap mo, kung Dr. Kwak-Kwak ba, di ba?
Oo.
So ito, real doctor, you see them face to face, and it includes e-prescription, medical certificate, and the copy of your medical records, yung doctor's notes, digitally in your app.
That's
Kasi
awesome.
some platforms naman would ask for a separate payment for medical certificates, ganyan. Kasi 'di ba like yung mga BPOs, pag may sakit kailangan nilang medical certificate para bumalik sa office, 'di ba? 'Yun.
Ang galing, ma'am. Pero yung
And then
merch...
wait, di pa tapos ang $3.99.
Ay, okay.
So $3.99,
Ay,
may
di pa
kasama
tapos.
na full suite of digital documentations, di ba? Medical documentations. Plus, it also includes 20,000 insurance for accident. So, the value there is you have a 20,000 worth of insurance. Plus, normally when you go to the clinic, ang pinakamababang consultation, 800, 850, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos pamasahe pa. So, 21,000 na yun. With us, very convenient wherever you are. 24/7 kasi ang clinic, may clinic hours ang doktor eh. Ito, 24/7, anytime, anywhere, accessible talaga siya.
Insurance po yun?
May kasama siyang insurance coverage.
Pwede-
Accident insurance coverage.
Pwede ko po ba kunan yung... Di ba, pagka Pilipino, maraming extended family. May
Pwede.
house staff din.
Yes.
Mga nani, mga
Pwede.
kasambahay,
So,
pwedeng
ang-
kunan.
Ang kagandahan sa atin, if you take a look at MWell, may e-shop siya, you can give the gift of health and wellness. So digitally, you can pass on the health pass, which includes the...
Yung sinasabi
Oo,
natin.
Oo. Saka, kunyari, binigay mo siya sa kasambahay mo.
Opo.
Oo. Pwede rin niya ipasa sa mga
Kamag-anak
kamag-anak niya
niya.
sa probinsya na may sakit. Kasi digitally, pwede mo siyang ipase.
Kailangan lang syempre maging dahil nga at the day and age, techie na rin sila eh, di ba?
Oo. Saan ba to? Health.
Pero ito ma'am, itong nakikita natin ngayon, laging may merch ang MWell. At minsan talagang, ang MWell, kasi alam naman natin na app siya of health, di ba? And access for all. But for us, nagulat kami, meron kang, siya, parang nangunguna ka sa, apps.
Kasi yung
Nagulat
mga
ako.
ibang mga brands wala pa sa Philippines, 'di ba? Or even in the world. Ang pinaka nauna was Aura Ring. Can we say that? Or talagang meron naman talaga sila.
Yeah.
But pricey and
Pricey, at sa literal, 30 mil mahigit.
yeah. And hindi pa lang 'yon, may subscription ka pa. So bago mo ma-access yung daily scores mo, may magsa-subscribe ka ng, I can't remember, basta $1 siya eh. So sa atin, libre. Yung access sa score, ha. And then going back to the wellness, so kunyari itong $3.99. Pag bumili ka sa e-shop natin, may buy for myself, para sa sarili mo kung ikaw ang gagamit, at meron ding buy as a gift. So pwede mo siyang i-gift to, and buy as a gift.
Ang galing.
Oo.
Hindi, tsaka
Digital
ngayon-
to.
tsaka-
Meron din tayong kasi kinakalaban din natin yung Hallmark. So, Kasi di ba, so,
Grabe nilahat mo, Miss Shea, ha?
kasi, di ba, pagka may birthday or occasion, mag-iisip ka, ano bang ibibigay ko? Pero ano bang pinakamagandang gift na pwedeng ibigay?
Gift of health.
Gift of health and wellness. So may all occasion tayo, may birthday, may Valentine's, may Mother's Day, may Father's Day. Tapos ang kagandahan niyan, meron tayong parang may card na may dedication. So you can have your own dear mom,
And
ganyan.
eto na, Miss Shea, actually ngayon, after nung mga lockdown, so medyo morbid to, pero kalit-kalan yung nagkaka-cancer, namamatay. Kaya usong-uso talaga yung preventive.
Dapat. Kasi, doon sa stats din natin, we have, in the Philippines right now, given our population, we have 1 doctor for every 26,000 people. Philippines.
What?
The World Health Organization requires 1 doctor for every 1,000 people. So, you know, God forbid if there's any pandemic, we don't stand a chance. We don't have enough doctors, and if you're not healthy, diba, you don't stand a chance. So the only way for us to be able to survive any pandemic, etc., is having a good health with a strong immune system.
Oh.
That's what we're trying to encourage. So sa app, mag-download kayo kasi ang app natin, kompleto, may consult now, consult later, may mind health. Hindi natin mental health kasi ang mind health kasi parang positive. Pag mental kasi, di ba sa atin parang medyo correct.
Tuliro
So,
level.
may mind health tayo. May fitness, physical fitness, na may programs. Libre din ito. You can access. Pang toning, pang diabetic, ayan. So just, I would encourage you to navigate through it. And then may food and nutrition. Meron siyang mga healthy recipes.
Wow.
Breakfast, ayan, breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, ganon.
Miss Shea, sorry, last. Kasi ang Pilipino, takot malaman na may sakit sila. Anong ginagawa ng MWell para hindi sila matakot? May ganun ba tayong initiative?
Yun na nga, ang sinasabi natin, ang puhunan natin talaga sa buhay, kalusugan natin. Kasi
Oo.
'di ba kahit na mayaman ka o mahirap ka, maganda o pangit, pag hindi ka healthy, tepok,
Baliwala.
'di ba? And we all go to work, right? For our families, we want them to have a good home to come home to, food on the table, good education, 'di ba? But if you're not healthy, you won't be able to do that. Thus the video na parang we want everybody to be mindful that health is wealth and is really your investment.
And I know MWell, ito naman po other issues, charot. Kasi showbiz din kami, di ba? So kailangan tanongin after nung Dear Heart, ano nang investment natin? Sino po yung mga gusto nyong i-produce pa? Tulungan.
Ay, hindi naman kayo nag-produce nun.
Hindi, opo, pero isa kayo sa pinaka-majors. Kumbaga, Dear Heart is MWell. Charot. Nakita namin siya.
Oo, Dear Heart, kasi heart, may heart disease kung wala
Oo.
So may connect. And yung in life kasi, we are going to, we're doing discoveries now to be able to work together. Kasi they're expanding their services to health, to cover health also. So, health kasi is very, it's embracing everything across industries. Kasi lahat tayo, individual, talaga siya, need and right siya ng tao na maging healthy. Tayo.
Kaya nyo sinuportahan si Gabby and si Sharon.
Kasi may yung heart, para maging healthy yung heart nila, natin lang.
Gusto mo na mag-react, madam? Ano yun?
Hindi na healthy ngayon.
Hindi na raw healthy sila
Ay.
ngayon after daw ng Dear Heart.
Hindi na raw po healthy.
Oo.
May ganun lang talaga, pero lahat naman naaayos.
Oh, wow.
Diba? Parang health natin. Kunyari, may sakit ka,
Oo.
pero inayos mo yung lifestyle mo, diba? Kumain ka ng maayos, nag-exercise ka, o hindi ka laging nakaupo. Pwedeng baguhin. Lahat
But do
pwede.
you feel sad na hindi naman po okay uli ngayon?
Alam ba natin na hindi sila okay?
Sinabi
Sigurado
mo
kayo.
siya.
Ako, I've always believed in, dear hearts.
Reconciliation. Nalo kasi Miss Shea. Kaya react natin kay Sharon at kay
Kasi
Gabby.
diba, kasi pag love, diba, love never ends eh. The heart always beats, right? Until the end of time.
So ano po gusto niyo pa, sino pang stars ang gusto niyo suportahan sa entertainment pagdating sa arena? Because we have Gabay Guro, of course it gives so much...
The teachers need to be healthy, right? For them to be able to
Yeah.
impart knowledge and values to the students.
Yeah, not only that, I mean, also in terms of the industry, ang dami nyo nabibigyan because you book those talents that night. But of course,
For free yun.
Oh,
Pagka
for
when
free.
when they work in Gabay Guro, that's
Wow.
giving back to the
CSR nila yon parang ganyan.
Advocacy naman nila.
Advocacy is the right term. Tama po.
Mama, dami mong project. Empowered woman ka.
Oo.
Kasi healthy ako.
Oh.
Kasi MWell ako.
Nakatayo nga siya
Kasi
nagbi-meeting, oh.
MWell, you know, I never sit down. I only sit down when I have meetings. I'm always standing up. So I don't need a chair.
At ano ka pa,
Of
wedge
course.
shoes.
Kasi nag-ano yun ng
Posture,
oo,
ano.
tsaka balance.
Mama, daming, siyempre, maraming nakakakita sa'yo, nakakakilala sa'yo. Parang, how do you feel na parang ikaw yung isa sa mga nililook up ng mga Pinay this time?
Oh.
Daming project.
Honored. But it's not me eh. The reason why I get to do many things is because of God's grace. Diba? When you do God's purpose and will for His people, it's not about us. It's for the rest of the Filipinos who do not have access to, say, in terms of MWell now, health. Kasi ang daming mga Pinoy ngayon na nasa remote areas, mga IB communities. Kasi kulang din yung healthcare services tsaka yung healthcare workers natin. Tsaka yung doktor natin concentrated sa cities, diba? So paano yung mga iba? So if you want to be inclusive, and because we say that health is a basic right, we gotta give them that health access. So we do that via MWell. So the other things that we've done for MWell is we have an MWell on the go. It's a clinic in a bag. So instead of having a health clinic or small hospital there, the barangay halls can just free up one desk and set up the MWell clinic in a bag. And then their constituents, their communities are able to get access to medical consultations, diba? Pag may
That's
sakit.
awesome.
Oo.
Actually, Miss Shea, isa
Tsaka
pa...
yung OFWs pala, sorry. Kasi yung OFWs natin ngayon, syempre, maano na yun, malungkot na yun if you're out of the country, mag-isa ka, di ba? So, lalo mo dapat alagaan ng kalusugan mo kasi kaya ka naman pinayagan magtrabaho doon sa labas kasi healthy ka. When you get sick there, most probably they'll ask you to go back, di ba? So, yung opportunity mo para matulungan ng pamilya mo, mawawala. So, kailangan talaga maging healthy. That's why we have a partnership with the Department of Migrant Workers to help our OFWs.
Wow.
Kasi ang kailangan talaga ng OFWs na may makausap silang Pilipinong doktor. Kasi when we went to Dubai, we were invited to attend Arab Health, no? Bago kami umuwi, pumunta tayo sa migrant workers office doon sa Dubai. Ang dami-daming Pilipino. Tapos yun ang issue nila, mahal kasi pag contractual ka lang, wala kang health insurance, wala kang health benefit. So, sinong makakausap mo na doktor doon hindi iba yung language, 'di ba? Naikwento nga nung isang doon, ng isang migrant worker na kawawa kasi ang Filipino talent talaga yung ini-export, 'di ba? Singing, ganyan. So nung nagkasakit siya, hindi maintindihan ng doktor yung sinasabi niya, inoperahan ngayon, hindi na siya wala siyang boses. Di ba, napaka-tragic kasi yun yung
bread and butter
puhunan
niya.
mo. So that's why we're really pushing for kalusugan ang puhunan campaign. So I would encourage you to share the video so makadating sa lahat. Kasi yun nga most of the time we take our health for granted unless meron ka ng nararamdaman. Dito pa na mahal magkasakit, di ba?
Yes.
Ang mga Pilipino dahil siyempre mahal yung pamilya, pag nagkasakit ibebenta yung bahay, patitigilan mag-aral yung mga anak, mangungutang. Dapat hindi natin problemahin yun na ganun yung sitwasyon. So dapat maging conscious.
Proactive tayo.
So dapat pag tinanong tayo, kamusta ka? Ang sagot ay, well.
Parang